Why we play the game?
Here is Mother Nature showing her might as well as her beauty.
Porca puttana! Attenzione, attenzione! Arcami!
This is a real scene of the sea attacking Zhao Rizi's home. The mutated black seawater, like an angry beast, collectively rushes towards Zhao Rizi's residential area. The entire road is instantly submerged by seawater. The people inside the house haven't reacted yet. They are already surrounded by seawater. This tsunami event resulted in more than 40,000 casualties for Zhao Rizi. Due to these guys frequently being attacked by tsunamis, Zhao Rizi observes the sea conditions at night, clearly sensing that something big is happening. Some clever old rats quickly climb upstairs. Then, just like us, happily watch as the seawater attacks the house. The originally blue seawater is polluted into black. The angry seawater mixed with roars easily crosses the nearby fence, then heads towards the residential area. The boats docked on the pier are also carried downstream by the seawater. The cars on the road suffer even greater losses. The young couples in the cars, still unaware of what's happening, are mercilessly engulfed by the seawater. However, what you're seeing is just the tip of the iceberg of the tsunami. This entire
At least 33 people have died in flooding in region after Typhoon Doksuri.
Is a phenomenon where the leading edge of an incoming tide forms a large wave, often catching people by surprise. Join us for today's video as we take a look through 10 travels up the Ganga River in India. Wave floods a beach, causing several spectators to flee for safety.
Oh my god! Oh my fucking god!
Oh shit! Got that on video! Oh my god! Are you kidding me?
An earthquake suddenly hits the Philippines. Holiday goers quickly flee from the pool at a resort near Manila.
E vulneráveis. Agora vamos assistir a momentos aterrorizantes na praia, que você não vai acreditar se não forem filmados. Não se esqueça de pressionar o botão de...
Why we play the game? Why we play the game?
Here is Mother Nature showing her might as well as her beauty. Some drivers in Spain get a free. There's also a guy that seems completely unfazed by the madness around him.
Oh no! Pyro.
Waves over 10 meters high hit a coastal town in Spain.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Okay. Oh! I'm sorry.
This jetty is gonna need a few repairs after this.
Там мы ныряли. Все попереломано. Ага, он накрывает. Все попереломано.
Strong waves in Portugal decide to give some garbage bins a good clean.